Hello students, welcome to the channel of Vedant classes. Okay, so in this lecture we learn about the factorization of quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Okay, so let's learn the splitting of middle term method for the factorization of quadratic polynomial. So I make one table, so just remember this rule. Okay, so you can, by remembering this rule, you can easily find out the factors, okay, of any quadratic polynomial. So let's see the rules. So see, if the second term and third term of quadratic polynomial, because the quadratic polynomial is p of x is equal to ax square plus px plus c. So this will be the sign for the second term and this will be the sign for the third term. So sign for the second term and third term is given. After splitting the sign for the greater term, you just need to split this middle term. Okay, so that is the reason the method is called as splitting of middle term. So you just need to split the middle term into two different terms. So first you should write the greater term and then you should write the smaller term. It is not that specific rule, but if you follow these rules, then you can easily factorize the polynomial. Okay, and so this process I'll explain it in the example. Okay, so see how to remember the rules. In first two cases it will be remain same. In third and fourth cases it will slightly change. Now see, plus plus, then it will be plus plus. Okay, and process you need to carry it out, it's plus. Now see, plus minus, then it will be plus minus. Greater term will be plus, greater term sign will be plus, and smaller term sign will be minus. And you just need to carry out the difference process. Then third term, third case is minus minus, then minus plus, and fourth case is minus plus, minus minus. You just need to interchange these two. Okay. Now see here, if you see that this is plus plus plus, then plus minus minus. Minus means difference you need to carry out between these two terms. Then minus plus minus, and this will be minus minus plus. Okay, so just remember these rules and you can easily apply, you can easily factorize the polynomial. Now let's see the examples that how to apply these rules. Okay, so see, x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so you can see this is plus plus, so you just need to write plus plus and addition. Okay, this is plus plus, so what you need to do, this will be plus, this will be plus, and process you need to carry out is addition. Now what this addition means, okay, now see, you need to split the 6, that is this final term, into two different values. So that two different values will be 3 and 2. You just need to split those two values whose addition is equal to the center term. So you can see that 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5. So these are our values. Okay, so greater term sign will be 3 as smaller term sign will be for plus. So here the sign for the 3 will be plus and for 2 it will also be plus. So you can write it like this: x square plus 5x plus 6. This will be x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now from the first two you need to take x common, so this will be x plus 3. From this 2 you will getting 2 as a common, so this will be x plus 3 equal to 0. So this will be x plus 3 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So these are your factors. Okay, so this is how you can simply find out the factors. Okay, now let's see the next one: x square plus 4x minus 45. So you can see here plus minus, so plus minus, then it will be plus minus. So greater term will be plus, smaller term will be minus, and difference you need to find out in this case. So you just need to split the 45 into two numbers whose difference is equal to the center one, so that is equal to 4. So 45, so that will be 9 5s are, and difference between 9 and 5 is 4. So sign for the 9 is plus and for the 5 it will be minus. Okay, so now you can write the factor x square plus 4x minus 45. So this will be equal to x square plus 9x minus 5x minus 45. Now take the x common from the first one, so x plus 9. You can take minus 5 common, so this will be x plus 9. So our factors in this case will be x plus 9 and x minus 5. Okay, so this is how you can find out the factors. Now let's see the next one, that is x square minus x minus 30. Okay, you don't need to write 0 right now. You just need to focus on the method. Okay, so here this both terms are minus, so this will be minus minus, so this will be minus plus. Okay, and process you need to carry out again is of the difference, right? So see, this will be x square minus x minus 30. Now you need to split 30 into two parts, so the difference is 1. So this is very easy. 6 5s are. So between these two terms it is minus. So between these two terms the difference is 1. So this will be equal to x square, and this is minus 6x. This will be plus 5x minus 30. So take x common, this will be x minus 6, and plus 5 common, and this will be x minus 6. So this will be x minus 6, and this will be x plus 5. Okay, so these are your required factors. Now let's see the next one, that is fourth case. So here it is given minus plus, so you need to write minus minus. Okay, and addition process you need to carry out. So 39. Okay, so split into terms whose addition will be 16. So this is 13 3s are. Okay, so 13, and this will be 3. So we need to write x square minus 16x plus 39. This will be x square minus 13x minus 3x plus 39. So you can take x common, so this will be x minus 13. You can take minus 3 common, this will be x minus 13. So here your required factors will be x minus 13 and x minus 3. So okay, so this is how you can apply the rules, and you can easily find out the factors. Okay, now let's solve the few questions. I can see that here plus plus is there, so this will be plus plus, it will follow addition, process will be addition. Now you can see here coefficient of x square is not 1. Okay, so you need to consider both the values a as well as c. So it will be 3 into 8, so this will be 24. Now split 24 into two such parts whose addition, process is addition, will be equal to 14. So this will be 12 2s are. Okay, so 12 will be plus, 2 will be plus. So it will be like this, 3x square plus 14x plus 8. So 3x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 8. So taking 3x common from this, it will be x plus 4, and taking 2 common from this, it will be x plus 4. So this will be x plus 4. Okay, and this will be 3x plus 2. So these are our required factors. Now let's see the next sixth one. Now see, in the sixth one it is given plus minus, so it will follow plus minus. Plus minus, it is difference. So 6 into 10, so this will be 60. Split 60 into two such parts whose difference will be equal to 11. So it will be 15 4s are. Okay, so this will be 15, this will be 4. So 6x square plus 11x minus 10. So this will be equal to 6x square plus 15x minus 4x minus 10. So taking 3x common from this, so it will be 2x plus 5, and taking minus 2 common from this, it will be equal to 2x plus 5. So the factors will be 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 2. So these are our required factors. Okay, now let's solve the next one. Okay, now see, in the next one minus minus is given. So minus minus, so this will be minus plus, and it will follow the difference. So again here 2 into 30, so it will be 60. 2 into 30, so it will be 60. Split 60 into two such parts whose difference will be equal to 17. So it will be 23s are. So 20 will be minus, 3 will be plus. So this will be 2x square minus 17x minus 30. So this will be 2x square minus 20x plus 3x minus 30. So here you can take 2x as common, so 2x, so in bracket it will be x minus 10. Here you can take plus 3 common, so in bracket it will be x minus 10. So required factors will be x minus 10 and this will be 2x plus 3. Okay, now let's solve the 8th one. So in 8th one it is given minus plus. So minus plus, it will be minus minus and process will follow addition. So here also 3 into 8. So this will be 24. So split 24 into 2 such part, whose addition will be equal to 10. So this will be 6 fours are. So 6 will be minus, 4 will be minus. So let's solve this one. 3x square minus 10x plus 8. So this will be 3x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 8. So taking 3x common from this, so it will be x minus 2, and taking minus 4 common from this, so it will be x minus 2. Okay, so this will be x minus 2 and 3x minus 4. So these are our required factors. Okay, now let's see the factorization of cubic polynomial. So now, as there is no particular method like that in cubic polynomial, okay, so I'm telling you few steps that you need to follow to get the factors of cubic polynomial. Now see, the cubic polynomial can be reduced in the form like this: linear into quadratic. Okay, so we need to reduce it into the linear and quadratic form. Okay, so linear form you will get by trial method, and this quadratic will get by synthetic division. So now let's see how it follows. Okay, so in step 1 you need to do the trial method. Now see, in trial method you need to try the value of x that are any from this minus 3, minus 2, that is minus 1, then 1, 2, 3, or any other. Okay, in 99%, in 90% you can say you will get the correct answer. Okay, in almost all the sums you can use this technique. So you just need to try this, okay, and make p of x equal to 0. The polynomial, cubic polynomial p of x that you are having, make it equal to 0. Then in step 2, okay, so by this you will get a linear polynomial. Okay, so by this you will get a linear polynomial. In step 2 you just need to do the synthetic division. You just need to follow the synthetic division. Okay, you need to make one table like this. And in step 3, see, by this you will get a quadratic polynomial. Okay, and in step 3 you need to factorize quadratic polynomial. Okay, you just need to factorize the quadratic polynomial if possible. Sometimes it's not possible to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so these are the simple steps that you need to follow to get the factors of cubic polynomial. So now let's solve one question. Okay, so let's solve one question. P of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 9x square minus 6x minus 5. Okay, so we are having an equation, quadratic polynomial, so we need to factorize this one. So now let's follow the step 1. Now you can try any of this. Okay, so as there is some negative signs, you can start it with 1. So now put 1. Okay, take 1. The polynomial will become 0. You can see 2 plus 9, 11. and minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. So 11 minus 11, it will become 0. So first of all, let x is equal to 1. So p of 1 will be equal to 2 plus 9 minus 6 minus 5. So this will be 11 minus 11 and it will get 0. Okay. So you can write, therefore x is equal to 1. You can write as x is equal to 1. So x minus 1 is 1 factor of p of x. Okay, so this will become, therefore x minus 1 will become equal to 0. So x minus 1 is 1 factor of p of x. Okay, so this is the linear polynomial that you got. Okay, that's what we need to find using this trial method. Now in step 2, you need to follow the synthetic division. Okay, so how you can make a table? Make table like this. Okay, write the value of x that you let. Okay, value of x over here. So it is 1 in this case. Here you need to write the coefficient of p of x. So this is 2, then 9, then minus 6, and minus 5. The initial value will start with 0 always. Okay, so like this you just need to add all these terms. So 2 plus 0, so it will be 2. Now you need to multiply 2 with this and write the answer here. So 2 ones are, so it will be 2. Then this will be 9 plus 2, 11. So again multiply 11 into 1, so this will be 11. This will be minus 6 plus 11, so this will be 5. Then my 5 into 1, this will be 5, so this will get 0. Okay, so now you can get the another factor. Now this terms, okay, this will are the coefficient of x square, x and constant term. So these are the coefficients of these all terms. Now you can write p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 9x square minus 6x minus 5. So this will be equal to, you just need to put 2 steps like this. Okay, so this will be equal to x minus 1. This is the linear polynomial we got, and this is the quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial is 2x square plus 11x plus 5. Okay, so quadratic polynomial is 2x square plus 11x plus 5. Now you just need to show it like as it is a splitting term method. So you just need to multiply this 2x square into x minus 1 plus 11x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1. Okay, and just multiply it, it will be 2x cube minus 2x square plus 11x square, then this will be plus 11x plus 5x. Okay, so this will be minus 11x plus minus minus, and this will be minus 5. Okay, so this is how we showed that we just split 9x square into minus 2x square plus 11x square, and this we showed minus 6x is splitted into minus 11x and plus 5x. Okay, so these are the steps that you just need to go from bottom to up, but this is the main equation that you need. These are the factors. Now check in step 3 whether you can factorize the quadratic polynomial or not. So here it will be x minus 1. See, this will be 5 2s are 10. So split 10 into 2 parts. So sum is 11. So it will be 10 1s are. It will be 11. Okay. So 2x square plus 10x plus x plus 5. So this will be x minus 1. Here you can take 2x common. So this will be x plus 5. Here you can take 1 common. It will be x plus 5. So this will be x minus 1. Then x plus 5. And this will be 2x plus 1. So these are our required factors for this given p of cubic polynomial. Okay, so this is the method you can follow to factorize any cubic polynomial. Okay, now let's see the next sum. So in the next question it is given that p of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. Okay, so let's try with the step 1. So let's consider x equal to 1. So p of 1 will be equal to 2 minus 3 minus 17 plus 30. So this will be 32 minus 17. So it is not equal to 0. Okay, so let's try again the next value, that is for x equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1, so this will be minus 2, this will be minus 3, this will be plus 17, this remains plus 30. So again it is not getting 0. Let's try some other values. Okay, so let again x equal to 2. So for p of 2, this will getting 2 square, so 8 2s are 16. This will be 2 square, so 4 3s are 12. Then this will be 34, and this will be plus 30. So you can see here that 16 plus 30, so it is 46, and this will be minus 46, so it is getting 0. So as x equal to 2, therefore x minus 2 will be equal to 0. So x minus 2 is one factor of p of x. So we got one factor of p of x, that is x minus 2. Okay, so now let's use the second step, that is for the synthetic division. So in synthetic division you just need to write the value of x over here, so that is equal to 2. Then write the coefficients, so 2 minus 3 minus 17 and last one is 30. Here initial value is always 0, so this will be 2 plus 0, so this will be 2, then 2 into 2, so this will be 4, then 4 minus 3, so it will be 1, then this will be 2 into 1, so this will be 2, this will be minus 15, and this will get minus 15 into 2 minus 30, so here it will be 0. Okay, so this will be the coefficients of x square, x and constant term. Okay, so now let's write the value of p of x. So here p of x will be equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. Okay, so leaving two steps as we used to do, this will be x minus 2 and this will be 2x square, then x plus x, and this will be minus 15. Okay, so now just move upwards, so 2x square minus into x minus 2, then plus x into x minus 2, then minus 15 into x minus 2, so this will be 2x cube, this will be 2 2s are 4, so minus 4x square, this will be plus x square, this will be plus minus minus 2x, then this will be minus 15x, this will be minus minus plus 30. Okay, so you get the question. Now check whether factorization of this is possible or not. So this will be 2 into 15, so this will be 30. Split 30 into two parts, plus minus and follows the difference, whose difference will be equal to 1. So 6 5s are, so factors are possible. So x minus 2, here it will be 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15. So x minus 2, taking x common, 2x will be common, here it will be x plus 3, then minus 5 common, and this will be x plus 3. So x minus 2, here it will be x plus 3, and this will be 2x minus 5. Okay, so these are our factors for this p of x. Okay, so this is how you can find out the factors for any polynomial of p of x. Okay, so that's it from this lecture. Please like, subscribe and share the channel if you are really finding it helpful, enjoying the learning here. Okay, so thank you so much.